Mr. Longfellow! Art class, Mr. Longfellow! Art class, art class! It's time for art class with Mr. Longfellow. Hey there, James John Lyons. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a puppet, Mr. Longfellow. Oh, somebody's coming. I gotta go. Woo! That was weird. What was that? Well, anyway. Hey there, James John Lyons. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an origami puppet, and I'm going to make mine into a frog. Let's check it out. All right, let's try to make a quick little puppet. We're gonna use a full page piece of paper here for this. And we're gonna roll it kind of like to make a circle. You could measure it and fold it carefully, but it's not super important as long as you've got kind of it layered like this, and we can squish it down, flatten it. And then it'll be about 3 parts. That's really all that matters. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just want it to layer down to three folds. Then the next step is to fold in half. And then we're going to take this part, now that we have a square, we're going to take this part and fold it down, back. And we're going to take this part and fold it down and back. And now you have this W kind of shape, but the ends have these little holes in them. And you can stick your fingers in these, and you end up with a little puppet. Then it's up to you to decorate it. So I'm going to make mine into a little frog puppet. I'm going to use this to make some little eyes. I'm going to cut kind of a rounded, I guess, door shape maybe. Kind of like that. And I folded over my paper, so I got 2, just to speed things up. And I'm going to fold them and then glue them on to my puppet to make frog eyes. And now this puppet wouldn't be very good at catching bugs, so let's give him a tongue here. Kind of the same shape, a little skinnier, maybe a little longer. Tongue shape, I'm gonna make it a little zigzaggy. A little wacky tongue. Put a little glue on there. Stick it in the mouth, and let's check them out. Ribbit, ribbit. There you go. There's the basic. I'm gonna need to do a lot of decorating on this to make it exciting though. Plain white paper. One thing you could do is paint your paper, design it, color it, add texture, let it dry, and then use that to fold your puppet. All right, I was made using painted paper, add a little tongue, little eyes. Oh yeah. Ribbit, ribbit. Well, that was pretty fun, but I think I've lost my puppet. So if anyone sees any frogs around here, I'm gonna keep looking. Let me know if you see anything.